The first one is homepage. You can find megawatt, turbine RPM, generator, frequency, and voltage here. The red marked values are set point. The green colored values are actual. Bottom side you can find HP and LP actuator demand percentage and the controller supply voltage. Breaker animation is in the middle. It will change its color and position according to the breaker feedback. This one is turbine page. In this page you can find turbine related data like inlet pressure, extraction pressure, exhaust pressure. In start sequence page you can check the programmed turbine startup curve. And if turbine is running, it also shows real-time RPM and all data related to startup curve.
So this is the control overview page, and this is the process control overview page exactly. And here you can see the process reference and the process measurement as well as kilowatt reference and kilowatt measurement and other speed PID blocks. And this is the extraction control overview. Here you can see the extraction pressure, extraction reference, and the ratio limiter logics and the ratio limiter outputs and the linearization, then and the final HP and LP demand. So this is the steam map, and the steam map on the right side, steam map page on the right side, there is the real value. When the turbine is running, you can get the real time values over here. And the bottom side there is a limit indication. In the limit indication you can see the if it is a maximum extraction or minimum extraction, maximum kilowatt, minimum kilowatt, like that. And in the steam map also is a real time steam map. So if the turbine is running, that red dot one is moving in between the map and indicates the where it is show the coupled HP and LP demand position. And the this is the generator data page, and here you can see the all generator related data like kilowatt, kVAR, MVAR, mega, as well as your 3-phase current and 3-phase voltage also. This is the synchronous scope page, and here you can see on the right side there is a double frequency meter, and the left side there is the double voltage meter. In the middle there is the synchronous scope. Okay, this is the capability curve one. So once you have programmed your AVR data, your exciter data, like what is the leading power factor, what is the lagging power factor, rated kilowatt, rated kVAR, then it will automatically create the capability curve. This is a small multiple generator monitor page. Here if there is more than one generator in your system, it will show that. And this is the alarm page. You can see current alarms, alarm history, event logs, site tech trip, like that. So the current alarm means the alarm is on the new alarm once, and it is not resetted yet. The alarm history is the if you reset the alarm, it will goes to alarm history. And then you can see the event log. Event log is actually the breaker feedbacks, engineer login, log out, other operations. It can record that as an event. So this is the site-tech trip page, and here you can see the last trip cost. It can save up to last 5 trip costs, like if it is trip and external trip or whatever. Okay, this is the trend page, and you can see kilowatt trend, turbine speed trend, inlet pressure, exhaust pressure, extraction pressure, voltage, kVAR, actuator position, HP and LP both you can see here. And in the time map like 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 6 hour and 24 hour. And here you can see on the right side there is the option of export, clear, these things. So export mean it can actually export this data to a Excel format. So for that you need a pen drive or a flash drive one. So first you have to put the pen drive and the front USB of the HMI, then press your export this bottom and press OK. So it's a export trend data to a removable disk. Just press OK. If it will find a pen drive, it will download this data to the pen drive. So in this case there is no pen drive, so it is showing a removable disk is not found. This is the IO page, or you can say IO status page. Here you can see the logic inputs, logic functions, relay outputs, inputs, analog inputs, analog outputs, control status, like that. So the first page it will show you the logic functions, so which function is enabled and which is not enabled. And the second you can see the logic inputs. So for that I have to choose the logic inputs. Then you can see if terminal 1 is high, it means enable run. So terminal 1, we have 16 inputs from terminal 1 to terminal 16. 16 input is there. So if 1 is red, means 1 is high, so the high, it is programmed as enable run. So the if the other logic inputs is programmed to other ones, here in the you can see the 5 number is sequence hold. So if the sequence 5 number is high, it will indicate as a red color, and the sequence hold is also in red color. And on the next you can see the relay output page is there. So for that we have to select the relay outputs page. And the relay output page also you can see which relay is energized and which relay is not energized. So for the base module we have 8 numbers of relay and 2 dedicated voltage relays and voltage lower relays. And for the CAN bus means the expansion module, for that you also get 8 numbers relays. This is analog input page. And the base module there is 4 analog inputs, and for the expansion module you will get extra 4 inputs. So if you program one in fast analog input for kilowatt control, it will show like that, and if it is not programmed, it is show not allocated. And the real time value also you can see on this analog input page. This is analog output page. On the base module you will get 3 analog outputs, and on the expansion you will get extra more 3. So here we have used the expansion module 1, so you will get the 6 number of analog output, and whatever the analog output is programmed, it will show you on the display, and it will also show you the current values. And if you see, you can if you can check, there is a finger picture on the bottom side. So once you press that, some soft switches has been pop out from the both side. So these are actually the control switches or a soft switches. So with the help of that switches you can switch on or off certain things like the process enable, disable, the base load control enable, disable. You can give a set point of VFs and kilowatt also. You can start your turbine from here also. And it is not configured, the kilowatt is not configured. So if you configure from HMI control, you can adjust the kilowatt set point and the PF set point from the HMI also. So the arrow is actually, if you press the arrow, it will show the next page of control switches. Same for both left and right. So here you can the right side you can see the auto input is already high. And so this is all about the basic operation of this Onyx HMI. If you press the setting bottom of this screen, you can go directly to this page. And again, if you press the HMI picture one, it will take you to the HMI settings. So on the setting page you can change the temperature setting to Celsius to Fahrenheit, other clock setting, communication setting, and operator logout time, screen saver, like that.